If you guys want to see how I got these silver chrome mirror-like nails, then keep on watching. So I already dehydrated the nails off camera, now you're going to see me go in with my nail primer. Next, I'm going in with a neutral color of builder gel. This is going to be a structured gel manicure type vibe, so I just want to make sure that it is evenly applied to kind of add strength to the nail and make sure that the nails do not chip along the way. We're doing chrome nails and she wanted a white background so that when the chrome is reflected, it has a kind of light appearance behind it. If she had chosen black instead of white, then in the reflection, it kind of would have given like a gunmetal vibe. But this is gonna give more of a light silver chrome look to it. So next I'm going in with a clear non-wipe top coat, but you do not need to top coat this. I just didn't know that beforehand, but you can just use an alcohol wipe and just wipe the nails and put the chrome right on top of it, but I did not know that. So next I'm gonna go with the chrome. I'm using an applicator, but I kind of learned along the way that it's best to use your fingers when applying chrome. Everyone's different, but I think that chrome looks better applied with the fingers, and that it also looks better when you actually don't use a non-wipe top coat. It looks better when you just use an alcohol pad and let it dry for a couple seconds and then just rub the chrome right on top. You want to make sure to dust off all the chrome before you top coat, because if you don't, then chrome powder is going to get stuck in your gel top coat bottle, and then when you go to top coat some other nails that you do, your nails are going to turn out glittery when you don't want them to. So as always, you want to put some cuticle oil on the client and then you are good to go.